Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JC Minos. Today we are talking about the Zimbabwe presidential motorcade. Atisukutaura Egypt motorcade, South Africa motorcade, Zimbabwean presidential motorcade. Consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Let's get into the video. Today we are looking at two things. Okay, so we're looking at the presidential guards, the personnel who guards and controls the motorcade, and the motorcade car collection. Okay, so we're looking at the presidential guards. So these are the personnel who are responsible. I recently made a video of them. Make sure you watch it. Its current law, it serves as a household division like service for the president of Zimbabwe. Its primary responsibility or responsible for guarding the area around the State House and also guiding the president in the convoy. Truck among Land Cruisers. My yellow barretta. They also got the president, Now we look at the motorcade car collection. Now our own is very different from South Africa. You understand some BMW or Nigeria, kunana Ogana and some Lexus and Toyota. Ours is very, very unique. The Zimbabwe presidential motorcade is a majestic sight to behold, featuring a sleek convoy of all-black vehicles that exude power, luxury, and sophistication. Alongside the Ford Raptor, the new added vehicle, the Rolls-Royce Phantom, which glides effortlessly. Complementing these luxury cars are nagged and reliable Land Cruisers. Together with the PG presidential guard vehicles. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, click here, otherwise subscribe